There are many backpacks available on the market. In this blog, we will discuss the best drone backpacks and how to choose the best one for you. In this video we will look at some of the best drone backpacks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. PGYTECH OneMo Drone Backpacks. The PGYTECH OneMo DJI Drone Backpack is the next item in our top best drone backpacks list. It is popular for its 2-in-1 bag design and quick access design. The versatile use is another best quality of this. GoPro 10, DJI Air 2S, DJI FPV, DJI Mavic Mini 2/Air 2, Pocket, Backpack. You can use it as a backpack, fanny pack, or shoulder bag. You can carry a MacBook and a stabilizer also. The amazing quick access design allows you to quickly remove the built-in pouch, drone, camera, and other things. The main compartment is customizable, so you can arrange it in any configuration for holding any size of gears and accessories. When we tested this drone backpack, we find it is quite comfortable to wear. The multiple decompression design comes with lots of extra adjustable straps. Though the waist straps are a little bit uncomfortable, they work well in holding the bag with you. Dedicated pockets for the battery can carry extra batteries. The 5 liters expandable storage on the back has plenty of space to keep photography gear. Number 2. USA Gear Drone Backpacks. Get ready to enjoy lots of features and plenty of storage space with the USA Gear DSLR camera backpack. Now you can carry your drone, large camera, and critical lens into it. If you want to get a cheap drone backpack containing all the essential features, then you can pick this bag. Tons of customizable internal storage space, dedicated phone and charger pockets, space for holding large photography gear are helpful for travel. The padded laptop pocket can hold up to a 15.6-inch laptop. Using the side door, you can bring out your camera or drone, keeping the rest of the gears safe in the other pockets. All metal zippers are quality made and run smooth, but they neither have an anti-theft design nor any option for use a small lock. Our travel photography team has used this bag for an outdoor photography project. They find it very convenient to carry lots of equipment with better safeguard. Number 3. Beschoi Waterproof Camera Bag. Do you have DJI Mavic Air 2 drone? Then the Beschoi waterproof camera bag can be your best choice. The approximate dimension is 17.3 x 11.8 x 9.4 and able to hold about 24 liters. You can carry your Mavic Air 2 drone or a 200mm lens on the upper compartment. The middle case can keep either one camera and 2 standard lenses or 2 cameras. At the same time, the third compartment can hold 3 standard lenses or 1 lens and 1 camera. The backpack has a side opening for quick access to drone or camera and gears while wearing. That means you will always be ready for any fast action. The bag has lots of functional pockets for storing chargers, cell phones, cables, filters, wallets, keys, and memory cards. But whenever we use these pockets, few gears do not fit into them. However, the laptop pocket and side compartment for holding a tripod and water bottle are quite helpful. The rain cover is much effective in protecting the backpack from water. Number 4. PGYTECH OneMo Camera Backpack. Let us introduce another best drone backpack to you. PGYTECH OneMo Camera Backpack. It is another best backpack for drones and cameras that we have tasted. Very sturdy built, lots of features and pockets. Sleek design make it the best option. The built-in pouch fits the Mavic Air 2 and along with its batteries, remote, charging hub, everything. It has dedicated space for drones, cameras, lenses, and a separate laptop pocket. The quick access design allows you to remove things quickly. You can rearrange the main compartment in any configuration to fit your travel gears. The backpack is strong enough, but a high-level shock can be harmful to the gears as it does not have a hard case. Their zippers are lockable, and the anti-theft compartment keeps your cards, passport, wallets, and other valuable things safe. This waterproof, wear-resistant, comfortable backpack is easy to clean. The built-in rain cover can protect it from raindrops successfully. Number 5. Smatree Travel Backpack. A multifunctional backpack and specially designed for DJI Mavic Air and GoPro camera. The strong build of this backpack keeps your gear safe, well organized, and fit for flight activities and outdoor sports. The interior of the bag is customizable. It can hold one DJI Mavic Air drone, 4 flight batteries, 1 battery charging hub, 1 battery charger, remote controller, along with other gears. The GoPro camera compartment can hold 7/6/5/4/3 or GoPro Hero, 2018, GoPro Session, 6 batteries, and other things. It also has 1 laptop pocket, which can hold a 13 inches laptop, and 1 tablet. For your comfortable wear, it comes with a padded backpack and straps. The slider on the shoulder strap is removable and offers an alternative multi-angle for GoPro camera. The exterior dimension of the bag is 15.7 x 11.8 x 7 inches. The high density of a material and durable nylon make this bag durable. It is an anti-scratch, water-resistant, anti-collision, and well-protective backpack for the DJI Mavic Air drone and GoPro camera.